discuss about the pivot table in Excel. For that, we solve the example as contribution analysis. So firstly, we understand what is the contribution analysis. So contribution analysis is nothing but, or in simple words, the contribution of each and every factor to their problem or any business case. So it means every problem or a business case, consider as business case is the problem for us to solve and to achieve the target, right? For that, in the data, we have features. So what are the features? Features are nothing but your columns or factors. Okay. So for that, we want to calculate the percentage value of each and every factor towards the problem or towards the any case. Okay. So consider, so today we discuss about the sales. Okay. So consider we have a shop. We have a shop where we sell some electronic equipments. Some electronic equipments, like, for example, electronics equipments are like laptop, television, TV, then washing machines, okay, or ACs, etc. These are the some equipments, electronic equipments. So where we are selling some products, and every year we analyze our sale. To analyze our sale, we find which products gets higher sale. Okay. For that, we focus on each and every product contribution to overall sale. So if we consider our problem or our case is related to sale, and consider your sale for any 1 year and complete total sale, if we consider as 100%, then I want to check, or I want to identify or find out the each and every product, each and or every product, how much sale will be there or how much sale happen. Okay. So for that, or with the help of using the data of complete year sale, I will find out the contribution of every product to their complete sale. Okay. So basically, or simply, I want to find out if my shop sale is 100%, and I want to find out the percentage laptop percentage of sale to overall sale, then TV, then washing machine, then AC, and etc. etc. To solve this or to calculate this, we use Excel pivot table. Okay. So now we check or solve one example with the help of Excel. For that, I have some sales data. I have some sales data. Okay. This is my sales file where these are the different year records, their products, channels, and different regions, countries, like that. All the data is there. And here I have one column like product subcategory, means all products are present here in that column. So I want to find out each and every product contribution to their overall sale. So overall sale is nothing but the total sale. So I want find out the contribution at each and every product. So to solve this, I use Excel pivot table. So this is my file, and then I go into the insert tab, and there is an option as pivot table. So if I click on pivot table, so pivot table selects my all data. Okay. If is there any problem or data is not selected automatically, then you can select all data. Okay. Or pass here the datasheet values. Okay. And then if you select the data, then where I want my pivot table report. So this sheet doesn't contains any extra space here. So I will choose new worksheet. So here new worksheet will be added for the pivot table. So what pivot table does, or what is the use of pivot table? So we check directly with the help of pivot table. So here this sheet contains all the data with their column names, and each and every record is maintained here. And if I generate pivot table from this sheet, then I get reference of all the records, means these are the column names, and these column names get values from your sheet. The reference. So here only column names are present. So with the help of these column names, you can perform your operations. So here we want to find out the contribution of each and every product to their complete sale. Okay. So here, firstly, I select my product subcategories, means each and every product name as a row, so that I can identify which product is this. So these are the product names where I sell, or I sell these products. Okay. Then the I want the each and every product sale. Okay. So I want the each and every product sale. So for that, I select the sale and drag and drop two values. So here I get the sum of sale of this product. So how much sale I get from the Bluetooth headphone is this. how much sale I get from camcorder product is this. Okay. So these are the sale values I get from these different products. Okay. So, and this is my total sale. This is my total sale for all these products. So I want my business case or my problem statement says that I want to find out the contribution or in a percent value, how much each and every product is contributed to my this overall sale. That means if I have this complete sale, then I want to find out how many percentage of Bluetooth headphones are there contributed in my sale. So for that, I will again select my sale column and drag and drop into values. So I will get these numbers again. So I change the column name as contribution. Change column name as contribution. Okay. So now I want to find out the percentage of these values with their total. Okay. So for that, I select one value from contribution and right click here. Then go to the show value as. Then go to the show value as. And here I select percentage of grand total. I select percentage of grand total. So this function will calculate each and every value percentage with your grand total value. With your grand total value. If I select this, then immediately I will get the percentage contribution of each and every product, their total sale. This I will get. So this is the percentage value of each and every product for their contribution. Okay. So so if I sort these values as largest to smallest, then I will get higher percentage contribution value at the top and then remaining all the values. So camp orders, the product, this is my one product which gives us the 15.25 percentage contribution to my overall sale contribution. Okay. So this is the contribution values of each and every product. And with the help of these values, we can take some decisions like if your these values like these values having lower percentage in your contribution sale, okay, then so your focus is like how you can improve the sale of these values. For that, you can take some necessary actions or some necessary decisions. If you focus on top values, then you can take a decision to maintain the product availability for these higher percentage contribution when products for your sale. Okay, so this is the contribution analysis, and with the help of Excel pivot table, we solve this.